Stop pinning more and hoping. If your impressions were sliding all last quarter, the fix is usually not volume. It is a search-first system: trends, keyword clusters, boards, pin sets, then spaced publishes. Really listen. 5 steps. Research live search demand before you design. Lock 3 keyword clusters. Name boards to those exact phrases. Build 2 pins per cluster with the keyword on the image. Schedule them about a week apart so you do not compete with yourself. That is the working map. Stay with me. 1. Pinterest trends before pin design. 2. 3 keyword clusters from related rising terms. 3. Boards titled with the exact phrases people search. 4. 2 fresh pins per cluster, same destination URL, different creative. 5. Base publishes about 7 days apart across those boards. Step 1. Trends first. Finish the post. Do not open Canva yet. Open Pinterest trends on desktop. Search trends is clearer there. Start with the keywords you already wrote the post around. Compare spellings and related terms. Prefer steady or rising demand over a one-day spike you cannot ride. Plan seasonal topics 45 to 60 days early when the graph is still climbing. Late pins fight a crowded peak. Weak. Design pretty pins first, then guess a title. Strong. Trend search. Pick terms people already type, then design to those words. Also strong. If 2 spellings fight, take the steadier curve and mirror that phrase on the pin. Step 2. 3 clusters, not 1. From related and rising suggestions, lock 3 keyword sets for 1 URL. Example for a small entryway organization post. Small entryway ideas. Organization ideas for the home. Small space organization. Each cluster becomes a board target and a pin text target. 1 post can feed 3 search intents without stuffing 1 description. Weak. 1 vague board called home stuff and 20 random pins. Strong. 3 literal clusters, each with its own board and pin set. Also strong. Drop related terms that do not match the post promise. Step 3. Boards are SEO shelves. Create or rename boards to the exact keyword phrases, not cute nicknames. Pinterest ranks boards like search folders. Soft titles hide good pins. If a cluster is new to your account, make the board before you schedule the first pin. Weak. Aesthetic vibes with mixed niches inside. Strong. Small entryway ideas as the board title. Description that restates the phrase in plain language. Also strong. 1 primary phrase per board. Do not mash 3 topics into 1 shelf. Step 4. 2 pins per cluster. For each keyword set, design 2 fresh vertical pins 2 to 3 aspect, about 1000 by 1500. Put the keyword in short on image text. Same destination URL. Different image and layout so the feed sees new creatives, not clones. Write titles and descriptions that lead with the phrase. Skip hashtag soup. Disclose synthetic media where your market requires it. Weak. Square collage. No text. Repinned 5 times the same day. Strong. 2 new 2x3 pins. Keyword on image. Clean title. Natural description. Also strong. ChatGPT or any draft tool can help descriptions. You still paste the real keyword and check the link. Step 5. Space the calendar. Do not dump every pin the day you publish the post. Schedule roughly 1 week apart. Rotate boards so the same URL hits different keyword shelves over time. Example pattern. Week 1 board A, week 2 board B, week 3 board A again with the second creative. Slow beats self-competition. Weak. 12 pins in 1 afternoon to the same board. Strong. 6 pins across 3 boards, staggered about 7 days. Also strong. After a few weeks, read impressions and outbound clicks. Keep the cluster that climbs. Rebuild the dead one. What you get: a repeatable workflow after every post. Trends, 3 clusters, exact boards, 2 pins each, weekly spacing. Manageable in 1 sitting once the post is done, then Pinterest works while you write the next piece. What you don't get: overnight viral spikes guaranteed. Fake vanity screenshots. This is a long game search system. Track your own analytics week over week. Close. Stop random pinning. Run the 5-step map on your next post today and watch whether impressions crawl up for the right keywords, not just raw pin count. Disclose synthetic voice when required. Tools change. The search first loop stays.